Welcome to Willard Library's virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to learn how to make a pocket bookmark. Let's start with some supplies. Feel free to stop by the Adult Services Department at Willard Library to pick up your craft kit while supplies last. First, you'll need the bookmark pattern printed on one side of an 8.5 by 11 piece of double-sided cardstock. Pick yours up at the Adult Services desk or see details below to print your own. Next, you'll need book lists to stick in the pocket of your bookmark. Use these to record books that you finished or maybe books that you want to read. To make a tassel for your bookmark, you'll need about 50 to 60 feet of yarn or string and a book. The book I'm using here is about 6.5 inches wide, but you could use one that's slightly wider or a little more narrow. Lastly, you want to grab some sharp scissors, a glue stick, and one standard hole punch. Let's get started by cutting out our bookmark. You're going to want to take your scissors and cut just inside the solid black line all the way around the pattern. Take your time during this part and make sure that your lines are nice and straight. You'll notice that I'm removing excess paper as I go. This makes the pattern a lot easier to cut. Now that our pattern is cut out, we're going to fold the bookmark to create a pocket. Use the dotted lines as your guide. Here I'm using the side of my scissors to flatten the fold and make a sharp edge. Next, fold your pattern along the dotted lines at the bottom of your bookmark. Grab your glue stick and put a little bit of glue on each of the folded sections. Now fold your bookmark over, line up the sides, and press around the edges. You may want to put your bookmark underneath something heavy for about 5 to 10 minutes while the glue dries. Use this time to cut out the book lists that will go in the pocket of your bookmark. Now we're ready to start working on the tassel for the bookmark. Take the tail end of the string, hold it against one end of the cover, and wrap the string around the width of the book. I want my tassel to look full, so I'm wrapping the string around my book 35 times. Once you're happy with the fullness of the tassel, take your scissors and cut the string. Now carefully slide the string off the edge of the book while maintaining its shape. This way it doesn't get tangled. Cut another piece of string that's about 8 to 10 inches long. Now use this piece to tie a double knot around the loop that you created. Straighten out the loop, and on the opposite end from the knot, take your scissors and cut the tassel in half. Don't worry about the length of your tassel now, we'll be giving it a haircut soon. Cut another 8 to 10 inches of string, then tie this around the top of your tassel in another double knot. Take the excess pieces of string, wrap them around the top of the tassel, and then secure with another knot. Be sure to leave out the 2 pieces of string at the very top of the tassel. We'll be using these to attach the tassel to the bookmark in just a minute. Use scissors to cut excess string off of the knot, then decide how long you want your tassel to be and give it a trim. Now that your bookmark has dried completely, grab your hole punch and punch a hole in the top center. Take the strings at the top of your tassel and tie a double knot at the end, leaving a loop. Thread the knot of your tassel through the hole in the bookmark. Then feed the tassel through the loop to secure in place. Stick a book list in the pocket of your bookmark and you're ready to read. Thanks for watching.